On this project, we're replacing 3 systems on a commercial building. 1 split system and 2 package units. First, we start by disconnecting the existing units from all the associated infrastructure. And then, we help set up the crane in an appropriate location. We'll start by rigging the existing equipment to hoist off the roof. We haul away and recycle the old equipment from every job site. It's now time to hoist and carefully lift the new equipment onto the roof. This customer is a member of our Commercial Maintenance Service Partner program and trusted us to complete this project because of our outstanding service, our amazing team of people, and our competitive pricing. After the new equipment is carefully set into place, it's time to make all the connections to the new equipment. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and give us a call so we can help you with your rooftop installed heating and air conditioning equipment needs. Thanks for watching.